Zane, call it. Zane, don't wait. If we have them up front, you throw it. Ref, how long are the quarters? It's still 22. Control it, please. Good. Good, Kingston. Good, Kingston. Parker, find him. He's going.
Good, Davis. Good, Davis. Good, Davis. Good. Control it. Good job. Kingston, great job. Press up a little bit, buddy. Go ahead.
Yeah, spread out, Graham. There's offside. You can run down.
Up and over, Davis.
Inside of Parker. Don't play too much.
Good. Go. Good, we'll take that. Aaron, take it, bud. Over here.
Corner, buddy.
Corner, take the corner. Yes. Oh, thank you. Perfect. Yeah, that was it.
Control. Come on, buddy. Everyone's on sides. Keep going. On sides, Jimmy. Keep going. Hey, fight Parker. Run, Parker. Your guys right there.
Let's go.
Are you tired already? Keep it in, Kingston. Graham, you can push down a little bit.
Go,
Graham, go! Get ready, Parker, big cross. Get ready.
Good throw, Aaron.
Go, Christian. Run, Parker, run now. You got a man coming, Davis. Out. Good. Good, Parker. Guard, Kingston, guard. They can go quick. Christian, get in the middle. Go quick. Davis, back up now. You got Christian. You guys are back now. Davis, now. Good. Hey, that was great touch, Graham. Just like that. Hands down, Christian. Go. Come on down, Graham. Go get it. Go. Find the wing. Nice idea. Come on,
Christian, come on, get your head up.
All right, boys. All right. Play left mid.
All right, Aaron, let's go. Let's pick up the pace, okay?
All right, Wolves.
Let's go, boys. Stay there, Parker. Out now, Kingston. Get Parker. Touch. Bring it down, Graham. Go. 10. 7. Good.
Nice, Parker.
Throw it in, Aaron. Throw it in, Aaron. Go. Down the sideline. No. Offside.
Everyone's set. Yep.
Good, Parker.
Send Aaron. Come on now.
Win the ball. Good, Parker.
Kingston, go. Send it, Kingston.
Go. Let's go.
Can you win it, Graham? Stop waiting away. Kingston, stop him.
No shot.
Oh, hit the ball, sir. Hit the ball. dribbling. Dave, pick it up and go. Dave, pick it up when he gives it to you. Good.
Build up. Heads up.
Hey, look, I need you to be a monster today, okay? Hey, I need you to be a monster.
Come on, Christian!
Thank you, Parker. Good kick. Win it, Graham.
Win it, Graham. Win it,
Go.
Graham.
Don't stop, dude. You're going to cut. Good. Save it. That's fine. Play deep, Christian. Stay with that play. Graham, more. Fast as you can.
Good ball.
Wider, Davis, wider. Yeah, they're hard. Don't get behind them. Good.
Good job, Kingston.
Christian,
Good
play
job.
D, dude. Win it, Graham.
All right, scan, bud. There you go. Come on, Christian. Control that ball.
Take your time, Christian.
Aaron. Good.
Zay, wake up. Read it. Parker's here. Wide, Parker. Wide. Get there, Parker. Bad touch, Davis. Come on.
Go on. Good work. There he is. Good.
Support him now. Support him. You're mid, dude.
Go. Good over. Good throw. Go, Graham. Good.
Davis again.
In the middle, Aaron. You ready, Aaron? There it is. Parker, here, man on ball, get the man up. Parker, you gotta watch. You gotta go ball.
Wait, Zay, wait.
Go, Aaron, go, it's live.
Stand up.
Too hard.
Send Parker.
Good, go.
Sprint race. Come on, Graham. Keep your hands down. Parker. Thank you.
Good,
Control.
go, Parker.
Stay outside, Graham. Go. Cross. Don't fight. He'll leave on you.
There you go.
Good.
All right.
Up. Keep it in the middle, please, Kingston.
Kingston, come on, buddy.
Come on, boys.
Stay with him, Parker. You're not done. Send him! Go, grab one. Come on, Art. Don't fight, don't fight. Good, patience.
Good, Graham.
There's Parker running, making a run. Check out.
Nice try, nice try. Parker, you got to stop going in. You got to stop ball chasing, right? Cover the ball when they have it.
Back up, Davis. All right.
Stay wide.
Guard. Go, Christian, go.
Good ball.
Send him. Go. A little less on that. Get it out. Good. That's a great kick.
Come on, Aaron, come here. Let me tie your shoe. Let me tie your shoe. Come here.
Good job, Wolves.
Christian, you're 2-6.
Good job, Wolves.
Good job, boys.
They're looking sleepy again out there.
Yeah, let's go, boys.
Christian sitting, Parker sitting. Lucas, striker, Orange. Center mid.
Center mid? Oh, you're right.
Yeah. Davis, left D. And then I might switch to the kids a little bit. Left D. I need them to switch it to the other guy. And then I need you to guard the backside player when the ball's on the opposite. And you'll just kick the ball. Graham, I want you to drop down. To right mid. Just like over. Your left D, Kaysen's right D. Graham, if the ball's here, listen, yes, your left mid. If the ball's here, you have to find the player on the left side. Davis, if the ball's here, you need to beat the player on the left side. Let's go, come on, we're down one. Let's get back out there. Hey, everything. Fourth quarter, dude. I want to see you creative right now. Calm down if you want it. Let's
Come on,
go.
boys, let's go.
Hard on me, hard on 3. 1, 2, 3, hard!
Let's go, Aaron. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Lucas. Stay high and let's go. You're right mid. Yep.
Good, Arn. You don't need it down. You want to stay behind him.
Yeah, Aaron, good.
Good, David. That's perfect. That's the play. Out. Good. Win it, Luca.
Go,
Win it,
Luca,
Luca.
go.
I mean, I don't know. I'm not.
Graham, your player's 77 now.
All right, outside.
You understand, Graham?
No,
You're not a striker. You gotta
let Kingston take it. Just be ready. Aaron, stay there. Stay there, Aaron. Stay there.
Yeah.
Hey, bring it. Come down, David. Go help him. Check in, Caden. Yeah, play it back. Let him boot it now. Boot it. Excellent, boys. Thank you for keeping
Go,
it
Luca.
in.
Go, Luca. Go, Luca.
Run, Luca. Run, Luca.
He didn't do it on
Hey, Graham, go find your player.
Yes.
Win it.
Good.
But he didn't do it on
Run, Davis. Man on, Davis. Send Luca. Go get it, Luca. Go get it.
Go, Luca.
Go, Luca.
Good try.
Just keep an eye on the player and the ball, Graham. Both.
Out. Go, Graham. Win it.
Come on, Graham.
Switch good. There's Luca there. There's Luca up the field. There's Luca. Good ball. Good.
Go.
Wide.
Good.
Wait it, Graham. Oh, save it, please.
Hey, when he gets in the middle, you got to pick a side and go. Okay? Don't just stand there. Watch him.
Go back, Blake. Graham, let it go,
Luca.
Graham. Get engaged. When you're there
Luca,
doing
up,
that,
up,
that's
Luca.
your position. Good, Kingston, good. Pick up now, pick up.
Stay there.
Pick up, Davis. Head on, control.
Go, Luca, go.
I told him to sit. That's what I did. Yeah. That's good.
No, it's just, I just saw them. They were out of position.
Good player.
Good. Control. Send it in. Go ground, go ground. Be patient. Run back, run back. Good kick there. Go ground, go. He's gonna send him. Kingston, hands down. Good. Good, Kingston. Good. Corner. Take it easy, boys.
All right, Wolves, let's go.
Nobody touch it though, sir.
Now somebody touched it.
I don't know, because they was Kingston that
Out, keep it out, Greg, get in front. Hey, Graham, next time, please don't touch. You're the only one blocking the goal. You gotta use your back.
Lucas, stay up top. Stay up top, Lucas.
Yeah, somebody get Drop down, Graham, drop down. Go to the corner.
they should get busy. Let's see.
Out wide. Davis, to the corner. Go wide now, get inside on Graham. Move to the sideline, Graham. They know he's coming at you, Graham. Time. Get it out, get it out.
All right. You gotta control with your left foot too. You're getting stuck. It's getting stuck under you.
Graham, go to the sideline, go wide.
Get ready.
Zane, pick it up.
Zane, catch it.
Stop back.
That's Kingston, good. Pick somebody else, Davis. Orange, stand, okay? You're not gonna have that much time.
Yeah, we're like chilling.
Go wider, Cable, go wider. Wade, Zane, Wade. Kingston, go wider. Take it. Thank you.
Graham, out wide.
Don't sit in your back. Go one down, Graham. You're not playing. Good. Now we have it. Luca, run over and help.
Pick up, Luca.
We're ready, Luca. Send him. We're ready, Graham. Let them do it. Cross.
ready, go wide, Graham.
Good try.
Good, Graham. Run! Thank you, Graham.
Let's go.
Go, Graham. Yo, he's out of the box, sir. Shoot! There it is! There it is! Yes, sir. Running. Play the whistle.
Good
Luca.
work, boys.
Take a smile.
Let's go. Let's move. Let's hustle. Good job, Graham. Graham, drop a little. Even with Davis and
Davis,
Arn.
Kingston, switch. Davis, Kingston, switch. Hey, Kingston, get that ball out quick.
Let's go. Put him under pressure, Luca.
You stay with that backside player, Kingston.
Well, all right, we got that.
Send it. Go, Graham, go. Run, Kingston. Go in. David.
Come on, Arn, let's move, bud. Let's
Come
move,
over
Arn.
here, Luca. You're in the game.
Let's go. Come on,
Win
Luca.
it.
Come on, Luca.
Go down, Graham. You're not done. Go get 77. He's wide open.
Good, Arn. Get there, Arn. Get there, Arn. Good, Arn. Let's
Good,
go.
Arn.
Good. Let's go, Luca. Let's go, Luca.
Go wide, Graham.
Good, good, good. Go.
Now you gotta go
Luca,
in. Send it. Hey, go help. No, never mind. You're there. You're there.
handball.
Handball. His hand is right in his body. Davis, use your press. Davis, go run, Graham. Run, Davis. What's the call? Oh, it's out.
Good job, Wolves.
Good run at the end. Let's go. Come on, boys. Good job. Good job. Let's work. Come on. Come on, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Do you need a pack? Yeah.
Let's go.
Get some water. Hydrate. Christian, get your pouch.
Anybody want a towel? Come grab one. Come grab one. If you want a towel, grab one right here. No.
Graham, on a gold kick. Zane takes it. I need my defenders are too short here. I want you guys wider. So they basically, if you lose the ball, you're not in front of the goal. My mids, Graham, you start here and you go to the sideline. My striker, which is Luca or Graham, you don't just stand here. Whatever sideline it goes to, you come down. We do this in practice. Luca, you come down to help. That ball Kate can get you a through ball, which he's looking for, but you're over here sleeping. You gotta come here and get your through ball. Makes sense to you? If you play striker, you come down. If you lose the ball in a transition, you don't stop and you don't watch them ever. You gotta run down. These guys are gonna beat us on the counter. The great job. Yes,
Okay, wake up. Come on. First touch is bad. Let's go.
Zane, and you're looking like you're like not watching the game because your reaction is a little bit too slow. And I don't know if it's your new or what. But you got to assume every shot is going to be coming towards the goal. Right? Every ball you should be picking up and not sitting on the ground and watching it bounce. Yeah, exactly. There's one one. There's 1-1. Back to start. Let's go. Graham and Davis are sitting. This is not. We're trying to control their I'm assuming. Luca, striker. Luca, now that you know. Goal kick. Right? What's the point? Christian left mid. Arn, how you feeling?
if you need a little breather, I can put you up deep up for a little bit. And then maybe back up. I want you center mid. You're center great. Shoot your shoulder. Because that'll tell you, you know how quick you get the ball out. But if he's just guessing it and coming in and looking away from you, put it back. I love how Davis and Kingston put it back and you booted it. That was beautiful. And I love how you recognized Kingston. You called Davis back. I was thinking the same like, oh, they're going to get this. And you called Davis back to play and let him shoot it. So you now to boot it on a rolling ball, which is great. Try to get. You got some suspension. That was it, right? That was great. Dude, we talked about that one time, boys. If you're back here and you got a rolling ball to you, boot it to where Luke or Grandma's really playing strategy so they can make a play. Don't just boot it with everything you got. It's going to go to goal. Play it smart. A little shit is on you, and you run out to the bench and realize where you're going. We probably would have grabbed on Brad like $7 box when you went back and you hit it. If you were like, even then, you didn't know that was out. Oh, just boys.
Yeah, right?
Look at each other. Let's move that ball quick, okay?
You guys can do it, okay? We did it all day. We did it late yesterday and we did it this morning. Just move it. Move that ball, okay? Make those passes.
Graham and Davis are sitting. Zane's in the All right, hey, put yourself on the ground and clean it up. Let's go. Let's go. Lucas striker, Christian left mid, Orange center mid, Parker right mid, Kingston left D, Cathan right D. Good decision making. It does go to PKs. Yes. Thanks for letting me know.
No. It won't. Okay.
It will. There's somebody in the eyes. Imagine if at the end of it, you just like you're
All right, guys, let's go.
Bring that right now. Tear it up, clap it up. Are you ready? Yeah! Are you ready? Yeah! Family on me, family on three. 1, 2, 3, family!
Let's go, boys. Let's go.
Look at them, boys.
Ready?
Let's go, Wolves!
Let's cook, Parker.
Make sure your shoelaces are tight, everybody.
No, it's okay.
Go, Cristiano, run! Good. Start. Pick up. Hey, Ari and Christian, please spread out.
Arn, you're the center mid, right?
Christian. Pick up, Christian. Grab that guy. Use your chest, buddy. The little lobs, you're not going to hurt. Back up, please back up. There's Christian. Go wide, Christian. The other wide to the side. I said switch. Switch it. Send it, Kingston. Send it. Send it. Get back, Christian. Get back, Kingston. Good.
Ethan! Go in the middle more, Luca. Go in the middle more, Luca. Medio, Luca. Medio.
It comes to you, Kate, that sent it in.
Player just got lost on you.
Bring it down, bring it down. Oh,
Out. Yeah, send it.
send it up, send it up. Good. Come on, Luca. Go, Luca.
Come on, Art. Back, keeps it back. That's you, Nathan, back. Don't spin, sir. Out, Nathan, out. Run, Kingston. Support him. Out, chase it down, Luca, chase it down, Luca. Go down, Luca, get in front of Luca. Okay, Luca, get in the middle. Find space, now finish the space.
Go, go.
Come on, George.
Go, Luca. Go, Luca. Let's
Let's
shoot.
Back up, back up. Christian, your player's on the backside. Your player's 11 over here, Christian. You lost him. There you go.
Good job,
Stay with them, stay with them. Christian, stay with them. If that ball gets in front, you're already beat. Get on the other side. Faster, buddy. Go, Christian. Get in front of them. Beat stick, quicker. You're too fast for the little bounces. Hey, go wide, Kingston. Go wide, Kingston. Let it go. Get up and go run. Don't worry about that. Keep up. Good job, Parker. Get ready, Christian. Get with 11. He's already got 2 feet, Christian. Get in front of him. Got him. Hold him down. Let's go to work. Let's go, Wolf. Come on, Wolf. Let's go, boy. Come on, Parker! Set! And on!
Go, Aaron, put him under.
Christian, stay there. You're losing your player. Now you can go.
Keep it going. Let's go, Wolves! You got this, Wolves!
Yeah, corner.
Came off a red, yeah, corner.
Came off a white.
Yeah,
Thank you.
let's go, Aaron. Aaron, take that corner. Oh, Luca, take the corner. Luca, you take it.
Nathan, stay up top. Stay up top.
I think he was, right?
Get back in, Nathan. Win it, Christian. Win it, Christian. Don't lean back. Bring it down. He's coming, Christian. Bring it down. Cut him off now. You gotta get with his speed. Back and play D. Back and play D. Kingston, all the way back. All the way back.
Keep that up! Keep the pressure. Be there first.
Mark somebody, make that box somebody.
What do you do with your feet?
Come on, Christian.
Let him follow.
Again, Art. 2 balls. He needs to get behind the build out. He needs to get behind the build out. Wait. Go wide. Thank you. Take it down. Got time, man. Luca, where are you again? Go two, go two. No, run through. Don't dive. Out, Christian, no corners. You got time. Luca, go help him. Go wide now, Luca. Go wide to the side like you get the pass in there. Now go win it. Cut him off. Go. Stand on the other side. Good, Arn. Run! Good. Run! Let's go, Luca! Go, Christian. Go, Luca! Go, Luca! Go! Easy throw. Get out, boys. Let's go, Arn. Get back on D's. Stand back, Luca. You're going, Luca, you're going. Christian, who you guarding? Let's go, Luca. Don't dive. Control, get it out. Men on. Go check in, go pitch in with Christian. Good job. Our ball. Go. Throw. Cut him off. Run back, Christian. When you get a heavy touch, you cut him off. Come on, Zane. Got time. Go wide, Christian. Go wide. Now go run with them a little. Good. Run, Luca. Good ball. Luca, come on. Let's get a touch. Again. Control it, Christian. Good. Wait. Stay back, Nathan. Get back, Christian, 11. Stay with 11, Christian. Back up, Nathan. You don't need to be that far. Luca, are you going to guard somebody? Stay with them, Luca. Go, Christian, go. Take it, Keaton, take it. Never mind. Zane! Hey! Zane, are you okay?
Oh my God! Come on, Burbank, that's anyone else.
Plant wide, Orange, plant wide. You should be in the middle. You should be ready. Go, Luca, go. Run back to 11. Bang. Wide. To the sideline, Zane. Come on, boys.
Good job, Keep it up, guys.
Keep it up. Get some water. Did you drink your couch?
Alright, boys, this is for everything.
Yeah, Kingston, how you feeling? I'm going to put you a striker to start, okay? Kingston, yeah.
What's wrong? What did
What did the ref tell you? What did the ref tell you? Thinking about John.
He told us something.
You want to quit? You put your striker. Take all that you're feeling? Let's go get a goal. Let's turn it away.
Lucy and Parker are sitting. Nathan, right D. Davis, left D. Christian, left mid. Christian. You can play harder, okay? Orange, center mid. Graham, right mid. And he's going back and forth. Christian, striker. If I see you guys, I'm gonna have to bring it back to the up there, but they're showing us you can do it. You're doing what you can right now. Let's go. We don't have much time. We gotta go on the field. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, either way, man, you guys had a heck of a weekend. Hard on me, hard on 3. 1, 2, 3, hard.
Let's go, Will.
Go.
Let's go, boys.
Grab, it's goal kick. Stretch. And they go to the sideline. Kingston, you gotta create space, okay? Go Kingston. Win, buddy.
Good. Get there.
Oh! Hey, good drive. Get back. Watch the bounce. Chest.
Good.
Got time. Backside. Switch. Good shit. You can go to Graham, too.
Come on, just get our head up.
Everyone get back. Check in. Win it. He's coming, Kingston. Good, Christian. He's offside. Wide, Christian, go wide now. Kingston, go to the ball, control it. Go! Let's go. Don't duck, Kingston. You need to see. Christian, find 11. Dan is here. Hey. Good, go, Kingston. You gotta always go to the ball. Don't let it roll. Go. Grab on the right. Shot!
That's it! Let's go!
Kingston, you're going. Graham. Get your player. Christian, stay with 11. Christian, he can beat you if they lead. Get behind him so you see him. If they send the ball, you're beat. Graham, you have to stay with the player. On the goal kick, you don't run. Kingston, cheat up, Kingston. Cheat with 3. Send him! Good job, James. Thank you, Davis. Remember to send Kingston.
Whoa, what's going on?
Kingston, cheat to the other side. Let's go, we're wasting time, let's go. Go hard, go. Go hard. Great, go run, Christian, run.
Go, Kingston!
Let's go.
Go, Graham!
Switch! Run, Christian, switch! Small touches! You got time.
Davis.
You got time. Go, Christian. You got time. There's Art in the middle. You got time. Give it to Kingston. Together.
Get there.
Play D now, play D. Pick up. Beautiful boys. Put the pressure on him. Great hustle, buddy.
Art, watch, Art.
Don't do like that.
Let's go.
All right, take the ground out. Go help, Christian, go help. You hit the ball. Go, you hit the ball.
You got the ball, Rev.
David. Go to the wall right there. Stop walking. Get closer. Get closer to me. Kingston, go guard 11. Go in there.
Get in front.
Guard 11, Kingston, yes. There it is. That's what I'm talking about. Christian, get 11.
Why was that man telling me
Get on D, Kaden. Thank you. Go, Keekson, go. Touch, yes. He's running. Wide. You gotta send somebody, Keekson. You can't do it all. Stay right there. That's it. Oh, you got players. Use them, okay?
Get their arm, good. Good, buddy.
Okay, that's what we're looking for. Keekson, that's what we're looking for. Play wide.
Good, Aaron. Let's go. Let's hustle, buddy.
Keep pushing.
Graham,
watch him. Graham.
Go, Keekson. All right, drop to the middle. The three, no, the other way.
Go.
Get on! Faster, you got time. Christian, stay wide. Control shot. Stop, buddy. Control, you have all day.
Good job, boys. Good job.
Take your time, Kingston. Stay there, Christian. Stay there.
It's yours, Christian.
Bring it down, Kingston. Bring it down. Go. There was no high kick. Dangerous play. Okay, then that's a dangerous play. Back.
Let's go. Control it.
Let it go. Davis, go.
Let's go. Hey, let's go.
Go in there, Christian. Don't win it, Kingston. Don't watch it. Small touches. Play somebody, Kingston. You're dribbling to the player, buddy. Thank you, Christian. Push it to grab, too. Cross! Go! Get back, Davis. Come on, Kaden, that's it! Kaden, if you let it roll, then you cut it off. Take a knee. Kingston, just say yes, sir, Kingston. Kingston, you did nothing wrong. That's a fair play. Kingston, take a deep breath. Deep breaths, Kingston. You're doing great. Deep breaths. Boys, if you need water, come here. You guys need water. Come here, get water. I don't know. Stay on the field. Where's your water? Where's your water?
Stay on the field. Here.
Water. Christian, drink water.
Coach, fluid with the stickers. No, Luca got me it.
All right, you need water?
Thank you. Hey, we gotta go. We gotta cook. Defense, send a striker, Kaden. Send a striker. All right. We gotta start sending now. No more kicking that ball. What ball? Oh, there's a ball there. All right, get the goal one.
Blue ball, right? Blue?
Weren't we back here, sir? Sir, way back here.
Here. Somebody kick the ball out.
You got open.
Yeah. Somebody here kick the ball out from blue.
Guard. Let's go.
Let's go, boys.
All right, Wolves.
Davis, back up. Let it go.
Good.
Hey, be patient with this, Dave. Be patient.
Come on, Wolves.
Stretch. Graham, right. Thank you. Stand down.
Oh, gosh.
There, not there.
Hey, Davis. Play a hole. Not two-hand, but you play a hole and run to it. Let's go. We gotta go. Keep it. Stop passing, make it hard. Come on, Christian. Don't try. High kick, sir. No, you can stay cross. Okay, so go. Out. Send Keithan. Go, Kingston.
Oh.
Go!
Shoot, Christian.
Win it. Throw it to Kingston. Check in, Kingston. Check in, Kingston.
Quick, Christian.
Win it, Graham.
Kingston, get outside. Go. Go! Hand! Oh my God! It's a handball, sir. No! Hand over there. Hey, Kingston, get in front of the ball. Don't let him kick it. Kingston, 10 yards away from the ball. Hey, keep your head in the game, Kingston. It's not over. Get in front of the ball. You can be in. No. 10 yards away, Kingston. Right there. That's how far. Right there. Kingston, 10 yards, like a basketball court. You're just in his way, so we can't see. Go, what? Wait it, Kingston, wait it.
Go, Graham.
Down again. Throw it in, Graham. Go. All right, bring it in. Heads up.